Hi, welcome to this video. This is the second video in, well, we're not sure how many parts yet, about how to teach your dog to ride in a sidecar. The sign on the windshield there is from so many people asking the same questions. So, anyway, I hope this helps, and this is what Dad did for me, and I hope it makes it so other people can be able to teach their dogs how to ride in sidecars. I ride in all kinds of different stuff with Dad. Sidecar's about the best. So that's my triangular harness, and it's adjustable, so I'm kind of limited in how much Dad wants me to go one way or the other. And we were at the beach, so my dog bed's a little muddy. Dad took the seat out because, well, I take up the whole sidecar. I'm a big dog. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Dad just made that up. A little bit of time on a sewing machine, and not a big fancy sewing machine, just a regular old house machine. And that's my dog bed I've had since I was just a puppy at the shop. And on this particular sidecar, it actually worked out really well. I just, Dad turned the seat bracket sideways and sewed a loop into the end of that. That was it. The other end's adjustable. Just a second, I'll get Dad to show you the other side there too. Come on, Dad. Show the people the other side. Focus. This seems to work pretty well for me. Dog bed cleaned up a little bit, and it just slips right underneath and lays on the bottom of the sidecar. Yeah, if I was smaller, when I was smaller, I could ride in the seat, but now that I'm kind of almost full grown, I'm too big. There's no way I could fit in that sidecar with, no way I could fit in there with a seat too. There's some old, cell phone footage that Dad shot. It shows me getting in and kind of how that process works. We'll do it again outside here in a few minutes. It'll be a lot quicker than this. This was actually shot to show people how all that works. Get my feet and legs clear. Make sure I'm there. It's a pet safe easy walker that I'm wearing. It's not only approved by me, it's approved by Mom as well. Okay, Dad, show them the doggles. Everybody likes the doggles. And one thing for sure, when you're putting doggles on your dog, Dad always cleans them first for me, so if he doesn't clean them, I'll throw them off in a heartbeat. I can't see through them. Nobody likes dirty glasses. Pretty simple, really. This is actually my second pair of goggles. I outgrew the first ones I had. And there I am, pretty much ready to go. Oh, thanks, Dad. I don't know why you put those on like we were going somewhere. Oh, that's right. We're filming for all the folks out there. Yeah. There's that all hooked up again. And there's a swivel on the snap up there so I can turn around if I want to. Sometimes I like to ride backwards in the sidecar. Not too often, but sometimes it's good to see where you've been. And that's pretty much how I spend most of my time in the sidecar. Side of the sidecar makes such a great chin rest. We get going real fast and I use that little area right behind the windshield for a chin rest. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Here it is in real time without slow motion and all that happy extra stuff. Dad always takes the leash off after I'm hooked in. He worries it might get loose somehow and get tied up in a wheel or something, so best to stash it under the bed. If anybody has a stabilized camera they're not using, they want to send to Dad. Obviously he could use one. Anyway, let's go for a little short ride. The wavy stuff is just the camera moving around. It's mounted on the motorcycle, so it's not as bad as a Frank cam, but pretty close. Okay. Man, I'll speed everything up here. I don't actually move that fast going down the road, but Dad speeded up the video so it's not all really wonky. It's a little wonky, but nothing too horrible. I'll get to the cozy kitchen here pretty quick. I go hang out there and make people smile. Sometimes Saturday, sometimes Sunday, once or twice a month. Mom and Dad go in and have breakfast, and Dad always brings me back a piece of ham. Believe me, a chunk of ham makes it worth going to the cozy. At least it does for me. Here we are. Oh, thanks, Dad. I can put them up as fast as Dad can, but if Dad puts them down, then, you know, it means he wants me to wear them, so. Unless we're moving, I wait for him. This is a little bit later. Here, I'll show you how I take them off here in a minute. Kind of the same as Dad, really, but okay. Now for the glasses. Ah, there. I can see better now. Well, thanks everybody so much for watching, and if you have any questions, ask away in the comments. And there's a new Facebook group called Sidecar Dogs that Dad started just for people to learn how to get their dog to ride in a sidecar and make it safe for them, make it a good time for them. I love riding my sidecar. Thank you so much for watching.